Hey guys, this is Taylor at GoPowerSports and we are at North Texas Powder Coat. We are getting our Slam Doodlebug powder coated in yellow. We are doing some of the parts in super chrome and then black. We're going to go inside and get some footage of them shooting this powder.
You win. Perfect.
We got our frame back from powder coat. We're back at GoPowerSports at our shop. We're going to put this thing together. We're going to get it rolling. We're going to start with our rear wheel. This is a super chrome powder coat on the hubs. The wheel is the stock black Megamoto wheel. Looks good. Okay. Now the forks. A little loose in there.
That's what she said.
Nice. This is our Rascal mini bike seat. Not the low Rascal, but the full-size Rascal. This is the all black with black stripes. We're also going to have black with white stripes, black with silver stripes, and then our vintage blue with a red and white offset. That's the best spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
We drilled our holes, our center holes on these tabs for the tank. We're going to put the neck right around there, and the petcock's going to be centered on these tabs. So we just have to mount our hangers and hose clamp them on. These are our 12-inch ape hangers. We have these online. They come bare steel, so you can paint them, powder coat them. We had these done up in super chrome. And we're going to mount them with our Megamoto risers. On this build, we're going to use our Tillotson 212cc Hemi engine. We're going to replace the starter and shroud with some black covers, and we're going to turn this into a stage 1. This is our new 1-inch clamp-on muffler. It is a lot smaller than the current clamp-on muffler that we sell. It's about half the price. It's a lot lighter. So if you have it hanging out, you know, way on the end of a mini bike pipe, it's not going to bounce up and down so much. There's really no need to brace this one unless you were to weld it on or clamp it on pretty far out. In this Tillotson 212 engine, we're going to be running our T4 Tillotson Racing Oil. We're going to do 16 ounces. We are swapping the sprocket to number 35 chain because these have a cutout, so you'll be able to see our chrome hub a little better, and it's lighter. That does look better. For the chain, we're going with our gold on black number 35 racing chain. This is pre-stretched. It's a really high tensile strength. Once you get your tension set on your bike, you really won't have to touch it again. Gasolina. You did check for oil?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that sums up our Slam Doodlebug build. Let us know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe to our channel for more future builds. See you next time.